Cable termination practices simplified. The need for proper cable wiring, termination, and insulation cannot be overemphasized, as it's very vital for the complete and accurate transfer of electrical power. Using the proper connector to terminate the cable not only improves the quality of the job delivery but also decreases the amount of time required for termination. Electrical tape is the most traditional way to deal with wire issues, and it will take you tons of effort and time to wrap wires round and round. This can be tedious and strenuous when handling a great number of wires in electrical projects. But with lever connectors, you would be amazed at how easy and fast your work will be. No more strenuous wire soldering. Leave your solder iron away and get rid of the power cord. All of your electrical wire connecting several projects would be done easily and safely with these compact and practical wire terminal connectors. Enough of wire nuts popping off all the time, exposing electrical wires in the air, which is dangerous for your whole family's safety. Get lever connectors, make them hold a tight grip on wires, and take care of wire issues for your home in a safer way. Two-waver wire nuts can connect multiple sets of wires, freeing up a good amount of space and time. They are compact, super easy, reliable, and reusable. It's safe and efficient with the newest installer possibilities for error of any connector, like not tightening wire properly or with sufficient torque. It is very good at preventing thermal cycling. It would save tons of time and effort for folks who have been constantly doing electrical projects with wires. Unlike traditional screw and twist-type wire nuts, lever splicing wire connectors provide superior mechanical connections among stranded and solid wires with a cross-section from 28 to 12 AWG. The strong levers help secure wires tight without losing them, and wires can be removed or reconnected due to their reusability. Self-stripping electrical T-tap connectors will tap into any wire without needing to cut, strip, or solder. Mid-span wiretapping has never been easier before. They are universal compatible. These lever connectors are used for joining braided and solid wires in different sizes from 28 to 12 AWG. They work with most gauges of normal household electrical equipment like ceiling fans, sockets, switches, loudspeakers, lamps, electrical boxes, light switches, fans, and controls. They are easy to work with. Easy to use, just cut the wire, strip the orange handle, insert the stripped wire, and snap closed, no soldering, and takes so much less space than wire nuts. Universal compatibility, they can connect any combination of solid, stranded, and flexible copper wires, and work with every gauge of normal household wiring, ceiling fans, sockets, switches, cars, motorcycles, ships, loudspeakers, lamps, electrical boxes, chandeliers, light switches, fan controls, and many more. Safe and efficient using flame retardant materials, internal copper material, preventing electrical leakage, safe and durable. Corrosion resistance, aging resistance, long service life. Even though connecting and reconnecting many times, the connector levers do nothing to damage the wires and hold them super secure. The latest patented design is easier to open and close than the old type of wiring device. No matter how much work, there is no need to worry about finger pain, so the work becomes more relaxed. Easy to operate. Peel off the 8mm to 10mm insulation, just push the orange clip slightly to the top 90 degrees, insert the cable and turn off the switch. Instead of traditional electrical tape and intertwined but connectors, technological innovation reduces wiring time by 80%. The latest wiring mode can be connected to the wire from a distance. Just separate the two sides of the wire access, and then with the dislocation of the plug, you can complete the wiring. Compatibility and practicality. Connectors are widely used in building and daily home wiring, electrical connections for motors, electrical controls, power supplies, household appliances, mechanical lights, sockets, switches, cars, speakers, electrical boxes, fan controls, and other electrical connections. Suitable for hard wire and soft wire. Just lift the levers, insert stripped wires in place, simply close the levers. Bang! You get the job done. They are safe and durable. The shell is made of flame-retardant material and has high temperature resistance, reducing potential safety hazards. The conductor is tinned with pure copper, strong conductivity, rust resist, ants, and corrosion resistance. Link in the description. Like, share, and subscribe to help this channel. Thank you.